So my guy, make I start it. This one is now how I dey normally trade. This one I trade one I wan take home. I get as the trade be sha, but I go still take am. I go just apply small risk management. I wan send am for you. So first thing first, that indicator, see am here. See as my own dey. You just see am, no dey complicated. So the indicator now, I do the use am see. You see my own, look where I get three black line, one for up, one for middle, and one for down. So this one's in my boiler bands. These three black line now, they use them for higher time frame. The time frame I dey use analyze. I mean, this 4 hour, daily, and weekly. You understand time frame alignment now. So, but the reason say I no go use that for our I no go use that for weekly and daily because before the price will come reach my entry point, it could take like the whole fucking week. So, the idea of this indicator be seen now, if make I go for our time frame. Okay, just trade what I take for example. The idea we say for this thing say if price now, if this candle now, if any higher time frame candle close above this upper line wey dey move, like moving average, if any higher time frame candle close above am, it means say it dey go bullish. It means say it go still continue to buy. So we just need to retrace to this green line. This green line here with inside the big black line. Just need to retrace inside this to come reach this green line, then it start to buy again. So now they use them. More use this one for example now. So now I go use the indicator. I just do quick analyzing for you now. See this one now, this candle close above the upper candle. I mean the upper line, the boiler bands line. Then the call retrace come back to this green line side here. Then the indicator now can give you signal to buy from here, because when price don't retrace to this side on that higher time frame, you go when don't retrace to the green line on the higher time frame, you go need buy. So wetin me I dey normally do be say now, I dey carry my trend line, dey draw my trend line from this side to this side, to where the candle, to where the price don't reach for the higher time frame. As price don't reach the green line now, I draw my candle now. Next thing I go do, I go skip. I'll come clear the indicator, make it no confuse me too much. Just come skip to 1 hour. For 1 hour, everything I dey find na break of structure, fair value gap, and inducement. Because so for this one now, I need to see any break of structure, but I dey see inducement. Yes, e no clear for 1 hour. I'll skip down to 45 minutes. Okay, I dey see my inducement and my fair value gap here. See my fair value gap here. See. This one a fair value gap. Oh shit. Shit. this one my fair value gap. This one my inducement. So this one my POI now. It the closest to the inducement. If you look when this from this place to this place for 45 minutes, it don't price don't mitigate them. You don't mitigate them, don't buy already. It grab now. So but this buy now, this buy we first buy yeah. No be waiting the indicator they tell us. See how the indicator come for the higher time frame at this area. This area yeah, now the indicator can reach. So it's still scale down again to 15 minutes and 30 minutes rather. For 30 minutes, if you take this place as your zone, if you still see another fair value gap here. Now at this point, if you use this one as inducement, if you use this one, if to say you need to use that indicator, you see this one. If you take them as entry, it go play out. We'll see our entry here, our main entry, and be this one. So I see this trade and I take out. I for still win the trade. So once I take out, I just target this high put my stop loss. I just target that high. The trade for still win. So now still as the same way I take get this one. Might go another. Might show you how to get this AUD USD trade. This AUD USD trade now, we no count our POI. Now you know why, sure. Now weekly time frame, weekly setup. I use the indicator. So okay, now sell bar. So on the weekly time frame now, see as the indicator they work. If now price close below this middle black line for the higher time frame, price close below it means say it go sell. So it means say price go come back to this red line, then sell from there. Share grab. And if the price still close below this low black line, price go retrace to the red line and sell. If price close above the black line, price go retrace to the green line, then buy. If price close below the black line, either the middle one or the down one, price go retrace to the red line, then sell. Just be like this one are your resistance, this one are your support. Or if you see this one are your supply, this one are your demand. You understand? So now for this trade now, I see price don't close. This candle here don't close on the weekly time frame. This candle here don't close below this middle black line. So I expect them to retrace back to this area, to this red line then sell again. So the thing I expect from price. So within I just mostly do be say, here's the thing I even mark safe. I don't forget to mark clearer. I go back, I skip to my lower time frame. I skip to daily time frame first. I can look for my break of structure, which is this one. And then I can look for my inducement. At this point, nothing they really clear. So I can't go forward time frame. Normally weekly setup now forward time frame go use as your entry confirmation. So here I can see for the forward time frame, I can see my inducement. Yeah, I can see my fair value gap as well. See my fair value gap here. We make this trade A plus setup. But why market no go me happy say this other block there is up here, but breaker block there. This one a breaker block. So me now, I take the entry from this other block, because this wrong week here, I feel say e no really mean anything, but this breaker block now come dey strong, come be strong POI, because e dey close to the inducement and the fair value gap. And maybe now why e sell from there and e no come to this my other block POI. So as I see my fair value gap and my inducement and my clean POI like this, I no need dey skeptical about the trade. Then this buy, this AUD buy, this AUD USD buy, this AUD USD buy na 4-hour time frame I use trade am. Same thing. Okay, for this side here now, you go see say price close above on the 4-hour time frame. Price close above this black line, the upper black line, with a bullish candle. So I expect am to retrace back to the green line before e buy again. So see where the green line be dey that time. I come back from this side to this side to the green line, because the green line just dey move now. I just mark am. As I mark am finish, I come clear the indicator. I come skip to 1-hour time frame. For 1-hour time frame, I come see my small BOS, my small break construction. The thing no still clear. I come skip again to 45 minutes. I come dey see my I come see my first fair value gap here, inducement here. And I come skip again to 30 minutes. And I come see my fair value gap well. I come see my inducement and my POI, clean POI, break of structure. If you na bullish, price go need break structure to the upside, close with a full candle body. Then I need my fair value gap and my inducement as my POI. You see market come, as market come like this, as market tap into am, you come buy. After you buy now, normally for this kind of trade, this 4-hour trades them they get, see I suppose put my take profit, but because I dey expect price to come to this point, I can go up. And I just dey trade the strategy new. I don't know say once you reach this point, you go retrace, come back. Most of the times you go retrace, come back. But even if you retrace, come back, you still respect our zone. You dey see am, you just come back to this side again. You no break pass, you still respect the zone. This one sef still respect the zone. You see am, you still respect the zone till you buy. You can't reach that breaker block now. I can't sell again. You understand? That's why they use trade. My confluence is break of structure, fair value gap, and inducement. And these three are they use for A+ setup. Finish. Then that indicator now. If you want set them now, see as you go set them. Make I see. My indicator, the indicator. Favorite. My other. I just wanna. That's your own day, but this your own day. So what you go to be say? Okay, stop on like this. So this first three line like this, now be the one may I set to black. So if you set on black, first three colors there, black. And this one now be the red line, which is like your resistance. This one now be the green. Same thing again, zoom again, red and green. Then this purple one, I think we go leave am. Blue supposed to. Why blue no dey? Yes, now blue supposed to. Okay. I mean, our settings around you. Red, green, red, green. This one's supposed to be blue. Like I see. That one, the one I edit. Blue is supposed to, like I see now. They say, okay, red, green, 3. Okay, the blue before the green, red, green, red. Okay. Yes, yeah. Alpha. Oh, this one. Okay, this one is supposed to be blue. This one is supposed to be green. This one will be blue. So green, red, green, and red. So you don't see now. You don't see. This will be all set down like this. I wish I fixed the any question if you still ask me. That is all for this. GBP USD3 too. If you look where break of structure, inducement, fair value gap. The same way now I use get them. I still get the setup same way. This GBP JPY self. This one not close to entry. See this fair value gap. You see the POI. You know too strong, weeks just full. But I go still take on. Go strong man take on. That's all.